Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a stink bomb out of paper, hair, and a hairband. Okay, first you take a piece of paper and you get the hair, put it in there. You put it on a piece of paper and you roll it up. Not too tight or too or not too tight because you need the air to like ventilation it to keep for air to come in. Then you take the hairband and you wrap it around. And that's what you do. You keep wrapping the hairband around the paper, or you just use tape and tape it down so the paper won't unwrap. And then you get matches and you light the ends or just the band if you use a hairband. And then if you let it, if it keeps fires keep going, the smoke will start coming out and it'll smell. And I'm gonna make another video on whenever I do light this, but I'm not gonna light it right now. So that's how you make a stink bomb.